Hello, nursing student number 2. My name is Darcy, and I am going to be evaluating your health promotion paper today. I would like to start by stating that this was a wonderful patient presentation. You provided a thorough health history and presented a concise problem list for the patient. Your paper is definitely set up in APA style, starting with your cover page and showing that you did place in your page headers and page numbers, and then you're adding in your primary headings and then your secondary headings as well. I do, however, want to go over a couple of things that you might want to work on in the future for future papers. One is in your cover page, you do have, your title and then your name and the college you went to. Things that you might want to add in here are your instructor, the program you're in, as well as the semester that you're doing the paper. And then below that would be the date that the paper is due. And while we're on the topic of APA style, I'm going to just jump to your reference page here. Just go over a couple things with your reference. References are great. Just remember to keep them within the 5 years is typically what we want. As well as watching how you write your titles out. The first word should be capitalized, but any one after that should be lowercase, unless it's after a semicolon or colon. Then that first word again after the punctuation would be a capital. Also, to second and third lines would be indented. But other than that, everything looks great on your references. Now I want to jump into some of your content details, so I'm going to scroll up to your learning outcomes. Your learning outcomes match up very well with your interventions and your nursing diagnoses and care plans. One thing I did notice is that you did add in a patient's problem as being gout, as a problem, suffering from gout, which you might want to put that into your abstract for your presenting health issues, just so you don't kind of just throw it out there. I didn't know where that came from, but you did state that he's had this going on. So just make sure you mention that in your health history as well. Other than that, like I said, your nursing outcomes match well with your nursing diagnosis and plan of care, and you encourage your patient to be successful in his care. You do help the patient to understand that he is a mainstay in his care and how well he's going to recover from his current problems and how to promote a healthy lifestyle. Now I'm going to jump to the end of your paper where you bring it all together in your closing statements, conclusion. You wrap up all the information that you provided very well and explained everything that you wanted to accomplish in this paper. Overall, I would like to give this paper an A, so continue the great work that you're doing, and if you have any problems or questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.